Hello, this is Patricia with the Crazy Cat Lady Crochet and Crafts. How are you doing today? In this video, I'd like to demonstrate to you how to crochet this flat circle. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start off with a slip stitch. I just noticed this big old gouge of nail polish out of my nail. I just did them this morning. I'm rough on my nails. Okay, now that we got our slip stitch made, I'm going to sit down, my back's hurting. Now that we have our slip stitch made, we're going to chain 4. First of all, before we start chaining the 4, I'd like to tell you that you could also start this circle with the magic circle, and I do have a video on that, and I will provide the link to the magic circle in the description box. But for demonstration purposes, on this circle, we're going to start with chain 4 and slip stitch the ends together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to slip stitch the last end to the first end. It says insert your hook. Loop around, pull it through, and pull it through. And in the center here, where I'm going, right here is where you want to start your double crochets at, where the hook is. So go ahead and locate that point. And when we're crocheting, we do not want to crochet the tail end right now. So just kind of snug that up a little bit. And then to start, we need to do three chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, and this will count as the first double crochet. Then we want to do 11 more double crochets. So this makes double crochet number 2. And then 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. You can grab them and just kind of push them to your left to make more space. And then I lost count, which is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that right? 1. There's the chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 2 more to do. This is 11. and 12. And the next thing we want to do is we're going to slip stitch the last stitch to the first stitch. So how we're going to do this, we're going to take our hook, we're going to go into the top of the chain 3, wrap our hook, and just pull through. And you can take your tail now and just pull that as closed as you can get it. Then I'm going to do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, which will count as our first double crochet. And if you want to make sure that that hole doesn't reappear, it doesn't slip out and become larger, I just go around back here and I make one little knot. And that fastens the hole. That fastens the hole shut. Now we don't have to worry about it no more. So we have our chain 3, which is the first double crochet. And then we're going to do another double crochet in that same spot, right there. Then we're going to go around and we're going to do 2 double crochets in each space. So at the end of it, we should have 24 double crochets. So in each space, double crochet 2 stitches. You don't want to crochet real tight. You don't want it real loose, just a little bit snug. That way it won't curl up on you so bad. It also depends on the type of yarn that you're using too. In my opinion, it does. This is a softer yarn. It's the, I love this yarn. For most of the time, if I'm going to make a flat circle, I'll use a stiffer. But that's my personal preference. I just find that some of the stiffer yarns, they don't curl up like the softer yarns do. Personal preference, so personal preference. And didn't get 2 in that last one. I only got 1 in that last one. It's very easy to do. That's why I just go back and look all the time. It's better than having to take it apart. Make sure you're getting your hook in the right spot. And 2 more. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch this last stitch to this first stitch. Just take your hook, put it in at the top of that chain 3, loop around, slide it on through. And then this time we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a double crochet in that same spot right there. So now we have 2 double crochets. Now we're going to do 2 and then 1 and then 2 and then 1 and then 2 and then 1 and 2 and then 1, and just keep going around until you get to the end. You should have 36 by that time. And it all depends on how big you want your flat circle to be. Each round you just do 1 more double crochet in between your increases, and your increases are the double crochet into 2 double crochets in 1 spot. And then when you get done, slip stitch the last stitch to the first stitch. And that is how you make a flat circle. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please click on the red link that says subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when I'm uploading a video, please click on the notification symbol. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Have a good day.